Victorian piggery farmers have duties under Victoria's biosecurity laws to ensure that they have appropriate arrangements in place to manage the biosecurity risks on their farms. The management of biosecurity risks is important as it can affect the health and safety of both animals and people. Firstly, we must ensure we have all the correct signage and the proper login books.
The very important here is that the reason for the visit, and then if the visitor have been to the overseas travel. So this is very important, especially now with the diseases of the ASF and the Japanese encephalitis.
All workers and visitors on the property must always wear the correct clothing, including coveralls and the proper safety boots.
It's very important for the visitor to change their clothes. So because we always, number one is to really protect our pigs inside and to stop the carrying of the pathogens that the visitor might carry and can transmit to our pigs. So this is also to protect the visitor from the needle stick, and also this is also very important because when they finish their visit, they were gonna just leave their covers all in the farm, and thereby cutting the transfer of the disease from one place to another.
After each shift, clothes and footwear should be thoroughly washed, and visitors and workers should shower before leaving the property. All grass areas must be kept sprayed and cut to prevent the infestation of both rodents and mosquitoes.
The very reason why we cut grasses is because grasses serve as the breeding ground for the mice and mosquitoes, and so to be able to minimize them and prevent them, and we made the cutting of the grasses as one of our protocols.
By following these few safety steps, we'll help to keep our workers and visitors safe and help prevent the spread of virus and disease.